In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get 120 FPS on PUBG Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. PUBG Mobile offers a 120 FPS mode. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and enable it. So 120 FPS is going to be available for you when you go over to the settings and then you go to the graphics and audio category. In here, look for graphics and frame rate. Now, under frame rate, if you have the Ultra Extreme preset, this means that you will be able to use extremely high frame rates, including of course 120 FPS. So you can set it to something like 90 or 120. So you choose this option and then you will see the frame rate detailed adjustment here. So if you want to, you can enable this option and change it to a lower value or a specific one where you get a good mix of battery protection and also high frame rates. Now, if you go over to this menu and you notice that you are capped at Extreme Plus and you don't have Ultra Extreme, this means that your specific device does not support higher FPS, and in that case there isn't much that you can do about it. For a video of this nature where I quickly cover how to get this done, I cannot show you a full process that would allow you to enable this. Plus, if you try to enable 120 FPS on older phones, this can potentially drain your battery too quick, leading to crashes and instability. As you can see, by setting it to Extreme Plus, you will get 90 FPS. But if you have Ultra Extreme, you can go higher to 120, which makes the game feel extremely smooth. So, check this option under graphics and audio, and if you don't have Ultra Extreme, you will most likely have to do heavy modifications to potentially unlock it. There is no guarantee that the option will become available even after you find ways to unlock this, so keep that in mind. It is most likely down to a hardware limitation with your device. I hope I was able to help you on how to get 120 FPS on PUBG Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.